Hello, today I would like to show you my recent purchase, which is this ALLPOWERS USB solar power bank. I came across this by accident while shopping for a foldable panel for my rooftop, and I decided to buy it because it's got a very good price. Someone was extremely not happy about it because I've got a very good price. It is basically a brand new, but I've got this as a used one. I'm pretty sure that I know exactly why someone decided to sell it so cheap, and I'm going to tell you just in a second because it also catch me completely off guard. Let's take a look what we've got. We've got our power bank with a solar panel. We've got the user manual, so you are welcome to pause the video in case you would like to find some information. And yes, it is answer for our question why it is not that great. And here in that compartment we've got also a USB-C to USB-A cable. Let's take a look how does it present. So this is the power bank, and if we start unfolding, we've got 4 solar panels, and those are extremely nice cells. This is like the high quality that you can find on devices like a Gold Zero. This is not like those extremely cheap that you can see on some fake solar power bank that was tear down by a big cliff. You can clearly see them. They are a very bad quality. Those are real cells. If we take a look at the surface area, I would say that this might be close to a Gold Zero Nomad 7th watt, but I'm going to show you in a second what this is stated by the manufacturer. So you can nicely fold it like this, and it go like that. Then you unfold it, and you can recharge from solar. The manufacturer stated that this solar panel is product 6 watt, which very heavily forced me into thinking that this number is going to be correct, because as I told you, that is a size of a Gold Zero Nomad 7. So that rating, I'm pretty sure, is going to be real. Here we've got the LED that is indicating we are recharging from sun, and they've got a different colors. And if you are going to get a green, that means you are going to get a maximum power. If the middle LED is going to be lit, then you are slow charging, and if we've got a red, then that means we've got a problem and we should direct it into a sun. Of course, I'm indoor and I cannot do that. But I will put a clip showing you that in a real sunlight. Manufacturer stated that this part is an emergency charger, which makes sense if we take into account that this is a 6 watt panel that is going to provide like a 1 amp of charge. So this is a very slow process in modern times. If we compare to like a 20 watt quick charge, this is extremely slow, but it is, and it is for free. And if you are going to put it next to your window, of course the window have to be open, then it will have absolutely no problem keeping it in a top charge all the time. Just take a look how nice it goes. And yes, the LED goes dark because we do not have any sun coming in. So it is going to measure a current. On the back we've got information about the capacity, 10,000 milliamp hour. For the size, that might be also true. We can do a test. Very funny situation. I was testing capacity of the power bank, and as you can see, we pull only 2,500 milliamp hours instead of stated 10,000. So that was a completely crazy claim. Absolutely 1/4 of the capacity. That looks absolutely terrible. We've got the model number, we've got the input 5 volt at 2 amps, and we've got at 2 USB-A output 5 volt 2.4 amp max. So they are looking like this. We've got, of course, a flashlight, and this is how it presents. This is the USB-C port and 2 USB-A socket. To power the flashlight, you go twice. You go once. It's looking quite nice, so we've got like a 25% increments, 4 bars, 100% charge. We are going to do a very small test. I've got a completely drained power bank with a 0% and 2 lightning MFI compatible cables. First we are going to do a USB-A. We go like this and we hook it up to the power bank that is totally drained, and it's going to pull a maximum amount of power. We're reading 4.6 volt and 1.8 amp. This is the current that we are pulling into the device, which is a okay value, so that is working beautiful. But let me show you the biggest weakness of that power bank. So we've got our lightning cable, we plug it into the USB-C to the lightning port, and nothing is happening. It's not charging, and I was pretty sure that the device is being broken. But the answer, as I told you, is in the user manual, and the USB-C is only input, only for recharging that device. So having a USB-C port that is only input and you cannot recharge anything by it is very sad. So let me show you. If I'm going to plug the included cable into the USB-C port, it starts nicely recharging. So this is the biggest weakness of that power bank, and it's pretty sad because it's looking just beautiful. We are going to do a field experiment, and the agenda is that I'm going to discharge it to completely 0. Then I'm going to unfold it into a full sun. We are going to wait. After that, I'm going to plug this capacity meter and I'm going to recharge my phone until it died again. That we are going to get a value, how much energy those solar panels can produce. Of course, there will be losses both on charging and from boosting the battery voltage into the 5 volt. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting experiment. So as you were able to see, we discharged this power bank to absolutely zero when it didn't want to turn on. Then we expose it to the sun, and after that I plug in that capacity meter. So that was the results, except of that terrible problem with not being able to use a USB-C as the output. The device is pretty handy and pretty nice. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.